So I'm going to show the parts here. I'm going to have to do this in several parts and stitch it all together. But the way that this is going to arrive is going to be this board with the inverter on the right and the alternator there on the left. You can see there are labels next to the different wiring connections that you will have to make. The positive on the up above there and the negative down below. Those cables there are battery cables labeled positive and negative, and they fit on those studs. There are also these brackets here that will bolt to the bottom of the board and clamp onto the bike. They'll clamp about here on each side, and the upper part goes where the seat gets clamped. There will also be a belt, this one in fact, and then the last piece is the control box and the wiring that goes to it. Right there, this control box is made so that you can put 8 AA batteries in there, and you can use that to start the alternator running in case you don't have a big battery bank to hook it to. And those just attach with Velcro straps there, and these 3 Velcro straps along the top bar of the bike. So I will put things together a little bit, and then I will do the next segment and show you what that looks like. Just to run over it quickly, actually first, this, you will need to take the alternator off the board in order to assemble. There are bolt holes there, and also underneath here. So I will do that and show you a little bit of what that looks like once that's started. Just a note here that the easiest way to get things to line up is to start the bolt through the board like that, just starting to poke through. Line the hole in the frame up, and then slide the bolt the rest of the way through, rather than trying to put the bolt in place some other way. And rather than sliding the bolt all the way through and then trying to slide the bracket on the metal on after the bolt is through all the way.